Generative Artificial Intelligence, or shortly Generative AI, is the recent buzz topic everywhere. ChatGPT, introduced in November 2022, attracted millions of users within a few weeks of its launch. The huge success of ChatGPT brought immense popularity to generative AI. You can find the notes for this video lecture in the book LLM Prompt Engineering Simplified, which is free to access and read online. Before diving into generative AI, first let us see, what is artificial intelligence? Humans have intelligence by birth. As humans grow, they enhance their intelligence by learning from experiences using their brains. With enhanced intelligence, humans can do complex tasks like reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Being a machine, computers don't have intelligence. For a computer to do any task, it requires step-by-step instructions in the form of code. It is possible to code and give step-by-step instructions in case of simple tasks. However, in the case of complex tasks like reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making, it is not possible to code and give step-by-step instructions. Then, how can we make computers do complex tasks? The solution for this is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science which deals with building machines which can learn without being explicitly programmed. Let us understand artificial intelligence more intuitively. AI provides intelligence to the machines. Here, intelligence refers to the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed, and machines refer to computers. With AI, computers without being explicitly programmed can learn and do complex tasks like reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Now, let us understand how AI allows computers to learn. AI allows computers to learn from large volumes of data using complex algorithms called neural networks, and then use this intelligence, i.e., the knowledge gained from the large volumes of data, to do complex tasks. The neural networks are developed based on the working of the human brain. Now let us see the different areas of artificial intelligence like machine learning, computer vision, speech processing, and natural language processing. First, let us see machine learning. Machine learning focuses on developing algorithms which enable learning. In simple words, machine learning is like the brain of an AI system. Just like the brain allows humans to learn from experiences, ML allows computers to learn from data. Now, let us see computer vision. Computer vision focuses on developing algorithms to allow computers to understand and generate visual information. Here, visual information refers to images and videos. In simple words, computer vision is like the eye of an AI system. Just like the eyes help humans to see, computer vision helps computers to see and understand the visual world. Now, let us see speech processing. Speech processing focuses on developing algorithms to allow computers to understand and generate speech. In simple words, speech processing is like the mouth and ears of an AI system. Just like the mouth and ears help humans to speak and listen, speech processing helps computers to generate and understand speech. Generating speech, that is, text-to-speech conversion, is technically referred to as speech synthesis. Understanding speech, that is, speech-to-text conversion, is technically referred to as speech recognition. Now, let us see natural language processing. Natural language processing, shortly NLP, focuses on developing algorithms to allow computers to understand and generate text. In simple terms, NLP enables computers to understand and generate text. Understanding text is technically referred to as natural language understanding, shortly NLU. And generating text is technically referred to as natural language generation, shortly NLG. To summarize, artificial intelligence provides intelligence to computers by enabling them to learn and do complex tasks without being explicitly programmed. And artificial intelligence includes multiple areas like machine learning, speech processing, computer vision and natural language processing. Each of these AI areas has its purpose. Now, let us see, what is generative AI? Generative AI, or shortly Gen AI, is a branch of AI that focuses on creating new content. The generative AI models take a prompt as input and can generate text, code, image, video, or speech content. ChatGPT and Gemini are the popular generative AI models which can generate text and code. DALL-E 3, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion are the popular image generative AI models. Sora is a popular video generative AI model from OpenAI. VoiceBox is a popular speech generative AI model. We can say that generative AI is at the intersection of machine learning, speech processing, computer vision, and natural language processing. Generative AI makes use of advanced deep learning models and can generate text, code, speech, image, and video content. Recently, there has been a notable surge of interest in generative AI. This increased attention can be attributed to the evolution of advanced deep learning models like generative adversarial networks, GANs, transformers, and diffusion models. The foundational ideas of diffusion models have been around for a while, but their application to machine learning gained significant momentum in 2015. Recent years, especially 2020 onwards, have seen rapid progress in diffusion models, primarily for image generation. Now, let us understand how generative AI models create new content. Generative AI models are usually trained on large volumes of existing content. During training, generative AI models analyze the patterns and relationships in the existing content and learn the rules to make new content. After training, the model can then generate new content which not only follows these rules but is also original and creative. In simple terms, generative AI models use the knowledge gained from the existing content to generate new content as per the instructions given in the input prompt. I hope you find this video informative. Like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss new video lectures. See you in the next video lecture.